Hello and welcome to PepperAmmy's 3-2-1 shortbread recipe. This is called a 3-2-1 recipe because you'll need 300 grams of flour, 200 grams of butter and 100 grams of sugar to make the base. Now to this you can add a variety of flavours. I also mixed in some roughly chopped chocolate and some vanilla flavouring, but try and avoid adding things that release moisture whilst mixing because this may throw off the balance of the cookie dough. I also did do a batch with chilli in it, because PepperAmmy, why not, and I had lots of chilies in the greenhouse. They didn't actually turn out too bad, but to be honest they could have done with a bit of extra flavour in it. But anyway, back to the main shortbread recipe. First you want to add the sugar and butter into a large mixing bowl and mix until it forms a smooth creamy paste. And then we need to sift in the flour and mix until a crumbly mixture starts to form. Once you have the crumbly mixture, you want to work it into a ball so it can be rolled out on a work surface. The dough should be fairly soft and kind of dry, but the mix will stick to your rolling pin and you need a bit of flour to stop that happening. We want to get the biscuit mixed to around 5mm thick before cutting into shapes. You can cut them into the iconic shortbread finger shapes using a knife or bench scraper, or you can also use cookie cutters for rounds and various other shapes. Once you're happy with the shapes, gently put shallow dents into the surface with a toothpick or fork and lightly sprinkle sugar. Then we need to place them onto a tray lined with baking paper and place them in an oven that has been preheated to 160°C or 320 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. When you take them out of the oven they may seem soft, but don't be tempted to put them back in because they will firm up as they cool down. The vanilla chocolate ones were a winner, but the chili ones were lacking some extra flavour, so I think if I do this again I'm probably going to mix in some vanilla or something else to give them a bit of extra base flavour. But anyway, this is all for this week. I hope you guys have enjoyed. There will be plenty of sauce videos coming in the future as the greenhouse is almost ready to be harvested now. And I have to admit, yeah, there's a couple of sauce videos that are going to be coming out. A few repeat ones that I've made, and then hopefully a few new ones that I'm going to be experimenting with. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I shall catch you next week. Hopefully on time. Now the vanilla chocolate did actually work out really well. I used just half of a bar, yes. The vanilla chocolate cookies turn out well. As I say, fuck off. It's 2.5 lines. How am I fucking this up? Hello and welcome to PepperAmmy's fuck. So close. So close. First line. 3, 2, 1, not 1, 2, 3. Once you are happy with your shapes, gently put shallow dents in the surface with a toothpick or a fork for the yes. I went off on one there. Crumbly mix. Once you are happy with your shapes, gently put them and then we need to place them into